So this is the big old box that it came in. Let's unbox this bad boy. This is the unboxing of Blackmagic 6 Pro. Let's see. I'm so excited about this. This is my first camera ever. Well, ever meaning camera that costs more than $500. Let's see. Okay. So, we open the box. We have the manual. It says thank you, getting started. Little other stuff about downloading, and here's other cameras that are also Blackmagic. Got the sticker, Blackmagic sticker. Oh, DaVinci. Okay, DaVinci Resolve. That's pretty good. Used that before. Got our power cord. Got our battery. Let's see what's in here. Okay, got a few different plugins here. Pretty good, pretty nice. Okay, let's check out the other things. Oh wow, okay, nice strap. I was looking for one earlier actually. Very nice. Then next, oh my gosh, I love it. It's so huge. Look how nice it is. This is a giant camera. It looks kind of small, but it is huge. You see the size of my hand, you can see how big this camera is. Very huge, very nice. Oh my gosh. I love this camera already. And I haven't even turned it on yet. Guys, I will give y'all a follow-up video for sure, but everything's looking great right now. Very, very nice. Let's see. As you can see, it has all your connections that you can connect to. Oh, very nice. Okay, yeah. So we have all the connections. Got beautiful screen. The screen does come out. It does tilt. Ooh, very nice. Whoa. Yes, I love this. Okay, so got the screen tilt. Got all these functions up here. Now, mind you, you can add some things here at the top too as well once we get your case. I love this camera already. Cannot wait for the footage. This is Blackmagic 6K Pro.